All right. No, sorry, wrong way. Bang! Neeves Knives. I'm Jared, and we have another Tacray knife. Now let's just get right into it. Very excited about this because the last two have been very weird. So I do not know what to expect out of this. Okay, so we got a couple cards. Okay, so we got a pen and a knife. This looks, oh man, that's a nice pen. Look at that ceramic. Glass breaker on the back. Titanium, it's super light. Nice titanium milled pocket clip. Does it, okay, rotates. Oh, it's a fountain pen. That is so cool. There's no ink in it. Wait, how does that work? It's got like a plunger in it. What is going on? So I don't know about these at all. I'm going to have to contact Cole from Tri-State EDC or something. He'll know more about this than I do, but it doesn't have any ink. At least doesn't appear to. Yeah, it doesn't have any ink. So I'm going to have to learn more about this, get a little ink cartridge, fill it up. The machining seems really good. I love the blues and the purples. Yeah, this is unique. It's very cool. So hopefully I'll get one of these, one of the ink cartridges and fill it up because I don't think they sent me one. So I'll have to get that. Looks like the clip will work good. So, and it's a good size pen. Like it's not super big, but it's also not super little. Here's an Olight pen so you can kind of see the difference in the size. You know, it is a little bit smaller, but it's also not small. So it's still a good size knife. And when you take this off, oh, you can put it on the back. There you go. You just pop it on there if you wanted to. But there you guys go. Let's check out this knife. So the knife, ooh. So the spine is not sharp. The handles are like some sort of, I don't know, composite or something. Guessing this is a flipper tab. Ooh, yeah, nice stout detent. Nice. So we have a dagger, but it's a single-edged dagger. Liner lock. Ooh, very smooth. Very, very, very smooth. See if we can pop it up with our thumb. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See if we can do the reverse flick up. I bet I can. I can't. Yeah. So it is somewhat of like a self-defense knife, I guess. That's the way I would kind of calibrate it. 440C steel. Good steel. If you guys don't know, 440C is, you can basically put it in the same category as 9CR, 9CR 18 MOV. 440C is a good steel. It's an affordable steel, so it's on the budget end of the steels, but it's still an adequate steel. So the geometry on this is robust, but that's what you would expect from a dagger, because daggers aren't made for breaking down cardboard and slicing and doing your EDC stuff. They're made to penetrate, you know, and stick and stab, not slice. But it can also slice. So you can slash with them, and this is only a single edge, so you can only slash one direction, but its primary is going to be sticking. It is a narrow knife, but you can see how it gets narrow, then it kind of thickens up a little bit. I'm not a big fan of the handle materials, whatever this is. It just seems like cheap plastic to me. I'd way rather this be something else. Titanium, micarta, G10 even. I don't know what this stuff is. It does have the same stuff as a backspacer, and it's like see-through. You can see right through this stuff. Clip is not reversible, but it does have a deep carry clip that's inset with flat screws. Haha, that's a good thing. Access to the liner, not bad, because they do have it cut back a little bit, so it's easy to do. Very easy to do. Then you have this part right here where you can actually kind of, well, you can let it drop and hit your finger, or you can push it forward like that. I wonder if it would work as like a wave feature. when you're pulling it out of your, yeah, I think so. I think when you pull it out of your pocket, you would hook this and wave it out. So we'll try that out. I'm pretty sure that's exactly what that's for. So we have a waveable dagger. It's a little long, so when you get it out, you got to creep up the handle a little bit, but it's something you could definitely get used to. But it is a long knife, so, you know, it's something, once you get it out and you wave it out, you know, you got it like this, you got to creep up the blade or go from there and spin it into a reverse grip. So you got to pick that. But, you know, with the right training and you know, spending a little time practicing, yeah, I think it would become second nature. But anyways, there you guys go. A quick look at this new Tacray knife and this Tacray titanium fountain pen. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.